Hi guys, welcome back to the Tutor Learning Center. This is JD Tutor, and I'm here to teach you imperfect square roots. All right, guys, I thought this was our 30th video, but it's actually our 31st video. Had it mislabeled, so sorry about that. All right, let's move on. Imperfect square roots. So what is the imperfect square root of 180? Let's find out. So we have, we need to break these down starting with the lowest possible number that you can, which this is a 2 and a 90. So 90 times 2 is 180, or 2 into 180 is 90. All right, and so now we need to break down 90 the same way into the lowest possible number we can imagine. All right, 2 into 90 is 45, or 45 times 2 is 90. All right, 3 times 15 is 45, and 3 times 5 is 15. Now, we started out with these patterns of 2s. Okay, but we couldn't do the 2s anymore, so we started out with the patterns of 3s. All right, so in perfect square roots, we were actually getting some pretty cool patterns down here that were the same. All right, but we can't do that here. So what we can do is we can still take one out of these. See, this is kind of the long way around. I'll show that to you. Let me go ahead and show it to you now, but there's a short way. All right, so it's got 2 times 2, so 2 times 2, and 3 times 3, 3 times 3, and then you times those, so that's 4. And then you times those, and that is 9. And so 4 times 9 equals the square root of 36, and the square root of 36 is 6. Isn't there a better way? Sorry, study.com, but is there a better way? Yes. So as they mentioned, imperfect square roots only take one out of here, and only take one out of here. Okay, so 3 times 2 is 6. And guys, what do we do with this 5? The 6 stays on the outside, and this lowly little number 5 stays on the inside. All right, guys, let's do another one. So 180, let's see, need room to work. So 180. All right, so get my cheat sheet here. All right, so 180, let's take the smallest possible, which we think can go into there, that's 2, and on this other side is 90. Okay, same with this one. Are we going to have another 2, or are we going to switch up to another pattern? I think we can have another 2 here, and that would be a 45 here. Can we have another 2 here? No. Divisibility rule. That's a 5. That's an odd number. So we're going to have to switch patterns here. Switch patterns. Let's do a 3 and a 15. We can still follow the same pattern, a 3 and a 5, excuse me. All right. All right, so we have a pattern here, a pattern here, and a lowly number here. What did I say the lowly number was going to go under? It's going to go under that square root sign. So let's bring these out one at a time, a 2, and then a 3, one each. And then we're going to times them. Okay, so 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 to the square root of 5 is what we have, 6 to the square root of 5. All right, and let's try another one. Number 2. Okay, so let's try number 48. All right, factor trees. And the smallest one possible is going to be a 2 and a 24. And another 2 and a 12. Can we keep going with the 2s? I think we can. And another 2 and a 6. And can we keep going? Another 2 and a 3. So we have 1, 2 sets, and then a 3. So we know that lowly little 3 is going to go in here. Okay. And then 2 times 2 is 4, 4, 2, the square root of 3. Okay, let's do number 3. Number 3, 450. You're like, oh my God, that's going to be a lot. It's really not going to be as much as you think it is. It's going to be just like the others. All right, so we'll have the lowest number possible that can be divided into 450 can be 3 and a 150. Okay, and can we get a 3 out of here again? Yes, I think we can. 3 and 50. Can we get another set of 3s out of here? No, I don't think we can. I don't think we can. So let's go to 5 and 10. Okay. And can we get another 5 out of here? Yes. Another 5 and a 2. We have 1 set and 2 sets. See how this is working? And the lowly number 2. The lowly number 2 and 3 times 5 because you're going to only pull 1. 3 times 5 equals 15. 15 to the square root of 2. All right, guys, and that's it. That's as far as we are going to take that. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next video. I won't say what the next video is because I've lost count already. So, all right, I'll see you on the next video, guys.